The dimensions and weight of mini centrifuges are crucial considerations, especially for laboratories with limited space, or where frequent movement of equipment is necessary. Here's what you need to know. Dimensions overview. Width typically ranges from 10 to 15 inches, 25 to 38 centimeters. Depth, usually between 9 to 14 inches, 23 to 35 centimeters. Height, generally around 8 to 12 inches, 20 to 30 centimeters. Weight overview. Lightweight models weigh around 5 to 10 pounds, 2 to 4.5 kilograms. Heavier models can weigh up to 15 to 20 pounds, 6.8 to 9 kilograms. Key considerations. Compactness. Mini centrifuges are designed to be compact and take up minimal bench space. Portability. Lighter models are easier to move and transport. Storage space. Consider the available storage space when choosing a model. Accessories. Additional accessories like lids or adapters may affect dimensions and weight. Conclusion. Selecting a mini centrifuge with suitable dimensions and weight is essential for optimizing laboratory space and facilitating ease of use. Compactness and portability are particularly important for labs with limited space, or where frequent movement of equipment is required. To learn more about mini centrifuges and related products, feel free to visit my homepage and contact me via email. I will respond within 24 hours.